Welcome to Auto. In this video, I will explain what it means when your Ring Chime Pro blue light is blinking and how to fix connections or setup issue quickly.
If your Ring Chime Pro's blue light is blinking, it usually means the device is in setup mode, reconnecting to Wi-Fi, or facing a network issue. Fix 1. Check Wi-Fi connection. Step 1. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly and has internet access. Step 2. Move the Chime Pro closer to your router to ensure a strong signal. Step 3. Reboot your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Fix 2. Reboot the Chime Pro. Step 1. Unplug the Ring Chime Pro from the power outlet. Step 2. Wait for 30 seconds. Step 3. Plug it back in and wait for the blue light to turn solid. This means it's connected. Fix 3. Reconnect to Wi-Fi. Step 1. Open the Ring app on your phone. Step 2. Go to your Chime Pro device settings, device health, reconnect to Wi-Fi. Step 3. Follow the on-screen steps to connect it again. Fix 4. Factory reset the Chime Pro. Step 1. Press and hold the reset button on the side of your Chime Pro for 15 seconds. Step 2. Wait until the blue light starts flashing rapidly. This means it's in setup mode. Step 3. Re-add the Chime Pro in the Ring app. Set up the device, Chime Pro.